Ndumiriri erekereirio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga kurumirira President Ruto kwamura atongoria amwe kiama-ini giake ndundu-ini ya maminista augite ta uria augire Jumaine kiama kia ODM kana ngwataniro ya Azimio gutire na uiguano magite na kiama kia UDA wa kuingira thirikari-ini. Arauga kiria maratanyaga ni ati ni gukugia na uiguano iguru ria maundu maria maugite marenda mekwo. No na kuri uguo Odinga ni enditheirie aya hana wega akiuga ari na mwihoko ni megutungatira thirikari na njira ikuguna bururi. Arauga matiragwa gwa kuhinyiriria miario ya bururi iguru ria maundu maria maheanite. Maundu maya ni kurihwo kwa family cia andu aria moragitwo na njira itari ya gucirithio kana makagurario kuma mwaka muthiru, kurekererio kwa aria othe mahingiritwo na guteanirio kwa mashira maria mahandeirwo megie mirurungano kuma mwaka muthiru, na hamwe na uguo no marenda maabitha othe ya borithi aria magiritanite na cieko cia kuraga kana kuguraria arurungani mahingurirwo thitango. Ndumiriri ino yukite riri gicunji kimwe kia bunge ya ODM mari hamwe na mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Edwin Sifuna mehandite ati aruna ao aria mamuritwo thirikari-ini moya miaka ino megukorwo mariho kiumbe no ti ithenya-ini ria kiama.
President has a prerogative to nominate any person to his cabinet, any person. So if he has been having conversations with John Mbadi, he will tell you there was no resolution of any organ of a party because he sits in his organs of a party.
You cannot have a coalition government with a few people, patches here and there, joining the government. You must sit down, draw a coalition agreement.
Atongoria ya maranyururia wamurani wa president makiuga nduri handu rumbuitie mateta ma andu ethi arika ria Gen Z aria amwe yao marateire mioyo magitetera bururi.
They want government positions to be well thought out, well structured and staffed with public-minded, based on meritocracy, not kakistocracy, qualified citizens who are committed to a common good. They want you to address the rampant looting of public resources. They want you to stop interfering in the running of state departments.
Kuringana na urugari uria umanite na kwamurwo kwa atongoria ya ODM ndundu-ini ya maminista thirikari-ini ya Kenya Kwanza ni ndereti ironeka te guthie na mbere gutheruka. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.